Many times we would like to keep the command prompt window open after you execute the batch file. You don't want to close it. Sometimes people will use the pause, but again if you hit enter it will close. So what is the trick to keep the command prompt window open even after you have executed the bash script? So let's move on to our screen and let's get started. Now let's start a simple command. I'll write echo off and let's write the title. Let's say I would like to show my channel name automate with Rakesh, and I will say batch script tutorial, right? Tutorials. Okay, so if I have to show this, and but I don't want it to close automatically. Okay, so generally let me set some color. I'll use the green color. Okay, now let's say I have to use a pause so that it pauses and I can use that window for something else. The problem with this, if I save this and try to run it, okay, so it will pause. You can see it has opened, it has paused here, but the problem is the moment I hit on enter, it doesn't give you option to type further commands if you like to do use that window for something else, right? Now, so how do I do it? There is a command. Okay, let me show you. Instead of pause, you have to use something called cmd/k. Okay, now if I use this, let me save it and run this. You can see the window has been kept open, it did not close. Okay, now if I write cmd/c, save it, and if I'm going to run it, you will see it'll execute and close it. It will terminate itself. And if you write k, it will keep it open. So where do you find all this? Let me show you. Let me write it k, so it will remain open. And let me quickly run it. Okay, now you can see it has opened and kept itself open. Now what is this command? Where did I find this? If I type help cmd, if you hit on enter, here you can see there are a couple of switches given. Okay, and one of the switch that you can use is /k. What is /k? Carries out the command specified by string but remains. Okay, it doesn't close. It will carry out the command, it will execute everything, but it remains. And if you write /c /c carries out the command specified by the string and then terminates, so it will automatically close. So instead of a pause, you have to go for this. Okay, if you have to keep the command window open, and you can utilize it for some other thing, right? You like to see it or you like to keep it open, you don't want to close it. In such scenarios, all you have to do at the end of your script, just put cmd/k. Okay, that is the simple answer. So thank you guys. So I hope you are learning a lot of things. So we'll move on to our next topic.